In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to your Whop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to your team, assign the right level of access, and make sure they're ready to help you manage your business. Start by logging into Whop. Open your browser, head to the Whop website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using an account that has permission to manage team members, typically the owner or someone with administrative access, so you can complete the invitation without hitting any permission errors. Once you're in, open your business from the dashboard. If you manage multiple businesses, you'll see them listed here. Choose the one where you want to add the team member. This takes you to your main business page where all your key settings and tools live. On the main page, find and click the Add Team Plus button. This is your shortcut to bring new people into your workspace. Clicking it opens a pop-up window titled Add Team Member, where you'll configure their access and send the invitation. Now choose the right role for the person you're adding. You'll see several options. Owner has full access to everything, so reserve this for someone who truly needs complete control. Operations typically handles day-to-day management and settings. Sales is best for people who focus on revenue and offers. Support is ideal for team members who help customers and need access to tickets or community tools. Advertiser is geared toward marketing and promotional work with limited administrative power. Pick the role that matches what they'll actually do. This keeps your business secure and your team organized. At the bottom of the pop-up, enter the person's email address or their Whop username. Double check the spelling to avoid sending an invite to the wrong account. If they don't already use Whop, the email invite will guide them through creating one during acceptance. Click Invite to send a request. The person you invited will receive a notification or email with instructions to join your team under the role you selected. Finally, wait for them to accept. Once they do, they'll appear in your team list automatically, and the permissions you chose will apply right away. If you ever need to adjust their role later, you can return to your team settings and update their access without sending a new invite. And that's it. You've successfully added a team member to your Whop. Thanks for watching, and happy building!